Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the TRD Pro Style grill on my 2020 Tacoma that's behind me. This is the Tacoma with the built-in front-facing camera, and I haven't found a lot on people actually getting this done, but thanks to Taco Vinyl, they offer a kit that is pretty well plug and play for that. So follow along and we'll see how it's done. Here's the 2020 Tacoma. It is the TRD Sport version and it is fully loaded. So again, we have the front camera down there. We're gonna make sure that stays on and everything is installed correctly. The first thing we're gonna do is take off all the bolts on the top holding the grill piece in. So now that we've taken the 10mm bolts off and your clips that are down here on both sides, the grill would literally just pull off. So you can just pull it straight out. There's one clip right here, make sure you unplug this. So I have both grills here, as well as the camera adapter bracket, which we're going to hook up. Taco Vinyl already installed the TSS sensor, the letters, everything. We just have to move the camera over. So now that we have the grill out of the truck, we are going to remove the camera. 2 screws, you're gonna remove your sensor, which is 2 screws. You're gonna clip these. Once you get these off, there are 2 washers under here. You're gonna pull these out and we're gonna transfer them over. So now that I have everything off, we're gonna set it to the side and then we're gonna pull these out. These can be a little difficult to get out, so you're gonna wanna get like a flathead and pull beside it. But once we get that out, we'll pop this centerpiece out and pop the new one in. You can get anything to pull these out. They come out pretty easy. I'm just gonna use my wire cutters here and pull those out. So that's finished. So to get your grill out, after you've removed your sensor and your camera, you gotta pop all these clips out. You're gonna pop all of them out, as well as these small Phillips screwdrivers. Small Phillips screws. You're gonna need a screwdriver for those, and then you go all the way around, you get that, you'll be able to pop the grill right out. Once you get all your screws and clips done, your grill's gonna fall straight out, and you're done removing the grill. It is very easy, very simple. You can then grab your other grill and we'll bring it on over. On your new grill, you're gonna take your washers that you just took off your old one and you're gonna slide them in. These are gonna hold your sensor in place. So now we're gonna take all of our clips and line them up with the surround to the grill. We're just gonna pop this in. You just press down on it, it's going to snap in all the way around, and that is it. It's snapped back in. Take note on the new grill, the screws do not go back in along the surround. You're just going to clip everything in, and once you've clipped it in, your sensor will then move directly over. And you can screw that back down after you put your spacers in. Then we'll figure out your camera. Once you've unclipped your camera, you're gonna take these 2 small Phillips screwdriver screws out, and we're gonna get this bracket off. All you do is transfer everything over. You got these 2 small clips, you pop them out. You got your 2 small screws here and here. Transfer everything over to the camera, and then we're gonna transfer it to the vehicle. There's your 2 screws that you're gonna unscrew. The bracket does have double-sided tape on top, so you'll just stick that, put your 2 screws back in. You're then gonna take your clamp and you're gonna clip everything back together. Just like that. So now we are ready to install back into the truck. here's our finished product. We now have the TRD Pro grill installed with the front facing camera as it would have came from the factory. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will link everything I bought to this in my description. So thanks again.